Good day, everyone. Sale, a spring sale on your favorite smartphone. They also have a Redmi Ultrabook 2024. Very impressive. Look at the 3K screen, 165 Hz. Damn. Very impressive books. Anyway, let's go back to a spring sale. And let's change the currency for US dollars. You can change the currency whatever you like. You can do it in euros if you wanted to. Let's do it in euros. Okay, let's stick with euros. 60 euros off, 50, 200 euros off, 200 euros. That's a lot of money. 100 euro off, 160. Wow. So Xiaomi 14 Ultra for 927 euros. That is a good price, really good price. Compare what you can, what you have to pay in a regular market. Wow. Oppo, the best photo-wise smartphone in the world. It has the first place on DX Mark, of course. For 700. Oh, wait, this is not the Ultra version. The Ultra version is 827 euros. For 827. And I had this smartphone, I have this smartphone, and it was beautiful. The picture-wise, compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there's no comparison. Beautiful pictures. And video also with the latest lens, sorry, not lens, sensor, Levo IT900, killing it. That bokeh effect was amazing, way better than in the latest Galaxy. So continue with the GT Pro, 200 off from the Xiaomi 14 Pro. It's like 18 sites of promotion. I will not go through all of them, of course, because this video will be too long, but all kinds of promotion. Check out this one, 140 euros off. I have this one on me, Look at those lenses, those are huge lenses. And this is Vivo X100 Pro, and it's amazing. It is amazing. The camera is like mind-blowing. It's way better than the Realme GT5 Pro. That's a fact. This is one of the best camera in the world for 900 euros. And that is a bargain. Wait, 800. Wait. 900, it's the most expensive version. The least expensive will be 777 euros. Lucky 7. I don't think you could buy anything better for 777 euros. There's nothing in the market. Nothing. Not even Xiaomi 14. I'm not sure about 14 Pro because I didn't have it yet. But this one, the huge lenses. Okay, you don't see it. Damn. It's Zeiss camera. All right. They have tons and tons of different discounts. So, link in the description for you. I also have a discount code for you. Additional discount. How cool is that? You will get a free shipment. A 1-year warranty. Why it's only 1 year? I don't know. It is what it is. Fast delivery. And like I said, discount code for you in the description. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Have fun with a discount price.